Hi, in front of me is REALME 8 and today I would like to show you how you can operate all apps permissions on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now you need to click on privacy, go into permission manager and select one of the available options, for example location. Then pick an app. I will go with maps, so I have to click on it. And pick one of the available options, allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so now when I go back, I can start maps, gain access to my device location. But if you want to see all permissions that your app has, you can always click on the chosen one, select see all Google permissions over here, and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!